Yes. What happened to Kanira? Removed from the meeting. I don't know. Yes, are you ready, children? Yeah, we'll start. Yeah. Please, 1 minute. You take out your EVS classwork note, a new page. Classwork note, new page. Don't write. Grade 2 EVS, don't write. In the margin, write 1910. In the margin, write 1910. Then new page on the first line, lesson 6. New page on the first line, lesson 6. Slowly. Lesson, lesson 6. This should be written in your classwork note. Next line from the margin, my neighborhood. Look at the screen and write, my neighborhood. Capital M, capital N. Yes. Jane, are you writing, Jane? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Right. Evelyn, Sarah, Israelina.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you write lesson 6?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write my neighborhood on the next line. Good, good, Israelina. Now I'm just calling out for Mithilesh, Naren, Tanvi, Tanvi, Samantha, Sweetie, Shamma. I haven't seen your drawing and coloring of your houses.
Yes, Tanvi, ma'am.
Tanvi, where were you, Tanvi, on this day? What happened? I was calling out for you. You didn't answer. You didn't attend the
Ma'am, I was
class.
in my grandma's home, ma'am.
Okay, now show me the drawing. Samantha and Tanvi, show your notebook. Drawing. What is your drawing of the houses? Samantha, that I want to talk to your mother. You did not color it. I told you the other day you color it. It's more than 1 month. Today you have to color and tomorrow you have to show me. Yes, Tanvi, show me, Tanvi. Very good, Tanvi. Very good.
Hut and house, ma'am.
Okay.
Papa house, ma'am.
Shamma, I want Shamma to show me. Shamma. Shamma does not doing the work. Tanvi, good. Turn off your mic. Shamma, where are you? Shamma is not joining the class on time. Okay, children, I'm going back to the classwork note. Shamma's not coming. Then, Fatima, did you draw in color? Fatima, did you draw in color? No answer. Okay, children, we'll do our work. Now see here, my neighborhood. Next line onwards, without leaving any line, write 1 to 10 numbers. When you finish writing 1 to 10 numbers, I will just tell you the words. You can copy from the screen neatly within these 2 double rule lines. Write 1 to 10. It's working. 1 to 10.
Ma'am, we should leave a line.
No need to leave any line. No need to leave any line. Now the first word is, please write the heading, children, dictation words. Did you write this? No. Please write this, then write 1 to 10. Sorry. Write this. Continuously write lesson 6. My neighborhood. You can put Roman number 1 for dictation words. Okay. Roman number 1. Dictation words. 1 to 10 numbers. Then I will tell you. Dictation words. Yes. I think I can give you neighborhood. I will just give you 5 words, children, because otherwise other children will be wasting time. Slow writers can tell. Neighborhood. Neighbour. Slowly and neatly. Neighborhood. First one. Look at the screen. Write neatly. Second one. Yes, only in laptop you will be able to see neatly. On your phone, I think it will be just given small and not in 2 lines properly. You,
Ma'am, I missed it. I have phone,
no,
ma'am.
you have? Yeah, it's never mind. But you write Misty within double rule line, okay? Please don't write as you like. Within the double rule line in your notebook, you write. Those who are using laptop, for them it will be easy, because double rule line can be seen clearly. Neighborhood, city, celebrate, provide, festivals. I'll make you all read. Tanvi, after writing, you read 5 words, Tanvi, because you missed all internal marks. Tanvi, please read all the 5 words after writing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Alan, read all the 5 words, Alan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, read.
Neighborhood,
Yeah.
city, celebrate, provide, festivals.
Very good. Now, I want somebody else also to read. By the time you must write. Akhilan, can you read, Akhilan? Akhilan, can you read all the 5 words? Yes, no, he's not. Okay, read, Akhilan. All neighborhood. Akhilan, read after me. Neighborhood.
Neighborhood,
City.
city,
Then celebrate. Celebrate.
celebrate,
Then first provide. No, not festival. Provide.
provide,
Festival.
festival.
Akhilan, you have to read every day, because otherwise you won't get mark. Internal marks for speaking, reading, all that, all 3 subjects. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm done all the 5, ma'am.
Now listen, I don't want anybody to turn on your mic when I am not asking you, please. Now, next child will be Mithilesh, are you there? Okay, Naren, please read all the 5 words, Naren. Naren, please read fast. I have to go to the next words.
Yes, ma'am.
Read all the 5 words neatly, clearly. Neighborhood, come on.
Neighborhood,
Neighborhood, then.
city,
Yeah. Celebrate.
silkmate, celebrate,
Provide.
provide,
Next. Festival.
festival.
Yes, don't worry, ma'am will teach you for special class time, but you have to read every day. Okay, now we'll go to the next one. Please write. Sorry, provide came twice. Don't write it. Market. Don't write provide again, children. Twice it came. Only write market. Right? Hands.
Ma'am, what is the
No, don't
sixth
write
one?
sixth one. It's repeated. Don't worry. I'm going to repeat. Some other words can you put? 1 minute. 1 minute. I will put another word for 6. You write seventh one. 6 you put blank. I will give you another word. I will give another word for 6. Wait. Are you? Hospital.
Ma'am, 2 times you have written, ma'am, provide.
I know that I told you don't write sixth word. You cannot hear me telling?
Why, ma'am?
Just write Rida hospital. Write hospital.
Sorry, ma'am.
It's okay. Let me know whether hospital is repeated. Please write hospital.
Ma'am, I did not see your presentation,
I am
ma'am.
showing you now. 1 minute.
Ma'am, I can't see the presentation.
I am not showing you presentation. Wait. Yeah, you can see it. Hospital. Yeah, thank you. Go back. Thank you. Very. Yes, right. Hospital market. And it was repeated, so you just write this hospital market. Now I will give all the words. Now I want, because some children never got any mark. Sanjit R. Sanjit, are you there, Sanjit?
Yes, ma'am.
Read all the 7 words from the screen. Hurry up. Neighborhood.
City.
Yeah.
Cyber.
Celebrate. Provide. Festivals. Hospital. Market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Now we'll go to the next words. Hope all would have written. We'll go to the next one. If you haven't written, we'll go back later, not now. Now write 15 numbers continuously. If no place, go to the next page. 15. If no place, go to the next. Jane, be serious. Go to the next page. If no place. 8 to 15. Continuously write the numbers. Post office, letterbox, stamps, envelopes. From the post office, we buy stamps, envelopes. Please write all these 4 words. Post office, two words. Letterbox, 2 words. Stamps, envelope. Sri Mukilan, read from the screen all the 4 words, because reading you are getting marks. Yes. Only Sri Mukilan must speak. Yeah, read.
Post office.
Yeah.
Mail. Letter box.
Yeah. Stamps.
Stamp.
Envelopes. Very good. Now next
Ma'am, can I say?
Excuse me, Mishti, you are not going to switch on your mic. I am going to remove you. I got some children and I have to make them read. Again and again, I will not tell you. Now, Trideep, read all the 4 words, Trideep, from the screen.
Post office.
Yeah.
Letter box. Stamps.
Envelopes. Not bad. Envelope. Okay, good.
Envelopes.
I want everybody to. Now, next words I will tell
Thank
you.
you, ma'am.
Okay. Now, see here. Parcels. P-A-R. Slowly you can write. P-A-R-C-E-L-S. Parcels. Parcels. Medicines. Medicines. Yes. M-E-D-I. Medicines. C-I-N-E-S. Parcels. P-A-R-C-E-L-S. After 3, I will ask to be children now. I want Sai Wasabi, read from 10 to 15 words. Sai Wasabi, read from 10 to 15 words. Come on. Sai Wasabi. Not there. Jeff, read from 10 to 15 words. Jeff, please.
Yes, ma'am.
10 to 15. Stamps.
Stamps, envelopes,
Yeah.
parcels, medicines, dispensary,
Very
jewelry.
Jewelry. Very good. Now, Niral, you also read 10 to 15 words. Niral, read 10 to 15 words. Niral. Yes? Niral, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read 10 to 15 words.
Post office,
No, 10 to
letter
15. Okay. Read. Letterbox.
stamps,
Stamps. Yeah.
envelopes,
Envelopes. Parcels.
parcels, medicines,
Yeah.
this
Dispensary. That's a clinic. Dispensary. Clinic. Yeah, not the hospital. Follow that. Jewelry. Jewelry. Now I want Jane to read 8 to 12. Jane, start from 8 to 12. Jane, 8 to 12.
Excuse me, ma'am. Post office.
Yes. Who's telling? Yeah, read Jane. Post office.
Post office, letter
Letterbox. Stamps.
stamp, emails,
Envelopes.
envelopes,
Envelope.
parcels.
Parcel. Enough. Parcel. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Rahil, can you read from 10 to 15 words? Rahil? Yes? Not there. Now, Tanvi.
Ma'am.
Please read Tanvi from 8 to 15. Tanvi. Who's this? Sharon, Allah? Yes, Sharon, what do you want?
Ma'am, what is
What is?
seventh one?
No, I cannot show you now. Now you read this. You can go to the recording and do it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Good. Rahil, please read this, Rahil. 8 to 15 words. Sorry, did I call Tanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read 8 to 15 others. Don't come in between after this, Rahil. Tanvi, you read post office.
Post office.
Yeah.
Post office, letter box, stamps, envelopes, parcels,
Yeah.
medicine,
Very good. Medicine,
distillery,
dispensary,
jewelry,
jewelry.
Dictionary.
Ah,
Jewelry.
that's all. Jewelry. Post office. Okay. Now I'm going back to Sai Vasari is not there. I'm going to 2B children. 2B children. I'll show you the next one. Let me see. Let me see. Now, children, don't turn on your mic in between. A lot of disturbance. Okay. Now, 2B children, I'm going to make you read. Yes. I want Abisha. Abisha. Please read 8 to 12 words. 8 to 12. Post office. Read.
Okay, ma'am. Post office, letter box, stamps,
Envelope.
envelopes,
Yeah.
envelopes,
Parcels.
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 Enough. Thank you. Now, Akshaya E.
Thank you.
Akshaya, can you read from 10 to 15? Akshaya,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
read.
Post office, letter
I
box,
said 10 to 15.
stamps, envelope,
Envelope. Yeah. Parcels. Envelope.
parcels,
Yeah.
medicines,
Medicines. Then, this I told you 10 to 15, but you started from there. Dispensary. Say
dispensary, jewelry.
Jewelry. Okay. Good. Now we'll go to the next one. Now write 16 to 20 numbers. 6 to next 20 numbers. Sorry, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I will give the words. Fire engines. Firefighters together. Fire engines, 2 words. Traffic police. Guard. Control. Now wait, slowly. 16th one. Fire engines. Firefighters. Firefighters. First of all, you listen. Traffic police. TRAFFIC. Traffic police. Guard. 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 Number 20. Control. CONTROL. Write neatly. I want Artrika Chakravarti to read.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read 16 to 20. Others, please write.
Fire engines, firefighters, traffic police,
Yeah, good.
guard, control.
Very good. Very good. Now, Evelyn, Sarah, by the time others must write. Evelyn, please read 16 to 20. Evelyn, Sarah. She's not there, I think so. Evelyn, Sarah. Getsia.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it Evelyn? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sorry. Sorry, Getsia. Evelyn, you read all the 5 words. Fire engine.
Fire engine,
Yeah.
firefighters,
Very good. Then, traffic police.
traffic police,
Guard.
guards,
Control.
controls.
Very good. Now, next person, Getsia.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read.
Fire engines, firefighters, traffic police, guard, control.
Good. Now,
I don't have space, ma'am.
go to the next page. Go to the next page. Now, Israelina, please read. Israelina, read.
Ma'am?
Read all these words. Fire engine.
Fire engines,
Uh,
fire engines,
Firefighters.
Firefighter.
Uh,
Firefighter.
firefighters. Traffic
Firefighter.
police. Traffic police.
Fooders.
Traffic police. Look at the screen. Traffic police.
Traffic police.
Guard.
God.
Guard. Guard. See, dogs guard our home. Same way, police guard our house. Home. Guard. Guard. Control. Okay.
Control.
Good. Jemima, please read. Jemima. Jemima, please read 16 to 20 words.
Fire engines, firefighters, traffic police, guard control.
Very good, Jemima. Good girl. Now, Cleona ma'am asked you have to show drawing and coloring children, okay? Those who did not show 2B. Some children I got the mark, I will tell ma'am. Okay, Jemima, the next person is Juan Sri, please read. Juan Sri, please read.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
firefighters.
No. Look at the screen. It's given little big. Fire engines. Look at the screen and read.
Fire engines, firefighters, traffic police,
Yeah.
guard control.
Very good. Now children, no, 10, 12. Now listen, I want everybody to complete this. Now I want, Usri Mugilan finished. Now next person is, I'm going through the girls. Pratika, can you read for me? Pratika, read. Fire.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Fire engines, firefighters, traffic police, guard control.
Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Rida Mehanas. I want others to complete 20 words. Rida, please read.
Fire engine, firefighters,
No.
traffic
Rida.
police,
Rida, wait.
guard.
She's not listening to me. Rida, it's not fire engine. There is yes. When you don't write yes, you won't get marked. Fire engines. Look at the screen and read.
Fire engine,
Firefighters.
firefighters,
Now we read from first.
traffic police, guard control.
Rida, first you must listen. Okay. Now Riha.
Yes, ma'am.
Riha, good. Riha, read. It's already time. We'll go back. Riha, please read.
Yes, ma'am.
Read all the 5 words. Fire engine. Yeah. Read, child.
Traffic police,
Yeah.
guard
Guard. Control.
control.
Yeah. Now listen, children, I'm coming back to you. You must get ready. You must get ready with maths after some time. Not now. Wait. I will come back. God. 1 minute. Now listen. Hope you'd have written all the 20 words. Yes or no, children? Getsia? Did you write all the 20 words?
Yes, ma'am.
You must go through it and you can learn the spellings, writing two times or something in your home study. Ma'am won't tell you. You have to learn.